Hey, we have some exciting news. Liberty Safe is now offering interest-free financing. If your credit is approved, we'll finance your safe purchase, give you a low monthly payment, and we won't charge you interest for up to 12 months. That gives you a whole year to pay off your safe of your dreams without paying any interest. If you need more time to pay off your safe, or you want an even lower monthly payment, you can choose our 5-year payment plan at just 12.99% interest. And getting pre-approved is super easy. Just visit libertysafe.com/financing and fill out our fast and easy form. You'll find out quickly whether or not you're pre-approved. You don't have to give us your full social security number. You don't have to fill out pages and pages of personal information. And this pre-check won't affect your credit or even show up on your credit report at all. If you're pre-approved, just pick out the safe that you want and choose financing as your payment option. Then follow the steps on our website to get your official financing approval. Before you know it, you'll be a proud new owner of a Liberty Safe. So are you ready to protect your valuables and choose America's best built safes? Just go to libertysafe.com/financing now to learn more.